Okay, pronoun is in Igbo. Nnochi aha. Pronouns are called nnochi aha. So when it comes to pronouns, we also have it in English language. So pronoun replaces nouns in a sentence. Igbo pronouns do not review gender. It does not review gender because we have all, and that all represents he, she, it. So pay attention closely. I don't want you to start writing anything. I'm going to post it. So the pronouns in Igbo, these are the things that replaces now. When you say Nnamdi is coming, instead of saying Nnamdi is coming, you say O na-abịa. Nnamdi, that O replaces he, she, or it. So that's how it goes. Okay. So when you say pronoun, we have possessive pronouns. We have possessive, we have personal pronouns, we have impersonal pronouns. So these are the things we have. And we're going to take it one after another. Okay. So when it comes to possessive pronouns, this is when you say nkem. Nkem. Nkem means mine. Mine is mine. It's mine. So you have mu. We have other pronouns, but I'm going to break it down. So here are the Igbo pronouns. The Igbo pronouns we have which is my, mine. When you say my mother, my mother. When you say my mother, my mom. So I'm going to give you an example with each of them. So we have nkem. For example, you say nkem, and this is how you write nkem. Nkem, it means mine. Nkem, 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 it means it is mine. When you say nkem, this is the meaning of what you said. It is mine. Okay? When you say my mom is this. You say my mother. That's what you said. So that means my mother, my mom, nkem, it is mine. You see how you use the word? It is mine. Okay? So is possessive. It is possessive, something that belongs to you. Gives it to me. Oh, it is mine. It is mine. My mother, my father, my sibling. Okay. You say one name. One name means my sibling. Okay. If you want to say my friend, enyim, you see that? Enyim, that M, I'm going to separate it. Let me just separate it. You can write it together or you can separate it. Let me make it bold. I want you to see what I'm doing. Okay, so we're using this to make a sentence. These are the pronouns we have. So number one is the pronouns that we have. Number one is what? I want you to know that. So let me go ahead and number them. Okay, what? Okay, so we have number one, which is So is number one. Nkem, and we're supposed to punctuate this because when you say all represent he, she, it. Okay, so you have to punctuate it. You have to put a dot underneath the O to make it O. It's different from O, is different. So we have two O's, one with a dot, one without a dot. All right, so to insert a symbol, so we need to insert symbol, which is a dot. Bum is referred as O. So we have to nkem, possessive, something that belongs to you. And then you say, it is mine. My mom, you say, my mother. You can also say, papam. 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 He is my father. He is my father. Okay. He is my father. So this am here is what we are talking about. That is possessive, belongs to you, something that belongs to you. If you want to say, it is my book, or akwụkwọ m, my book, akwụkwọ m, my book. So we are talking about this M that I bolded. So we are talking about M. Just know that means mine or mine. Okay? If you say now, akwụkwọ m, this possessive, this M is what we're talking about. We're not talking about any other thing. And then it means, when you say akwụkwọ m means my book. Book means akwụkwọ. Book means akwụkwọ. My book. Even though the mine, you see, mine, let me see. In English, you say mine first, but in Igbo, it comes last. So don't get confused there. It's just that's the way it's supposed to be. So in Igbo, it comes last. Like you say, my mother, my father, my friend. Okay? But then in English, mine comes first. But in Igbo, it comes last. You see? So, but I don't want you to be confused just because I put it that way. Light. Okay. So you say, my book, my pen, mine. Is nkem. That M there is Okay. Now the second one is mo, which is number 2. Nke abụọ, mo. Mo means me. You see what I highlighted? Mo means me. Okay. Mo means me. Okay, now I just want to make it bold because I want you to see what I'm doing. Okay, mo means me. Now, when you say mo, for example, you want to say, Uche and I are coming to your house. Uche and I are coming. Okay. You can also say, Dozier and I Let's use dozier for example. So in English, you say dozier and I. Okay? Some people will say me and you, me and you. Me and you is wrong. You don't say me and you grammatically in English. Me and you is wrong, even though people do say that. But the grammatical way to say it in English is you and I, okay? But in Igbo, the correct way to say it is me and you. Okay, so it's like me comes first before you. But in English, you come first before me. So dozier and I, this is how you say it in Igbo. Mu na ge. If I want to say mu na dozier, if I'm looking at you, Neka, and then I want to say you and I are going out today, I will say mu na ge. Ge represents you. That's when you're talking to people direct. Mu na ge means me and you. Mu na ge, okay? That's what it is. Let me just rephrase it here. When I say mu na ge, it means me and you. So this is how it goes. When you say mu na ge, it means me and you. So we are talking about mu, and this you is supposed to be dotted. Okay, mu na ge means me and you. When I'm talking to you direct, and then I say mu na ge, all right? In English, it should be you and I. So, but in Igbo, I come first before you. So that's mu na ge. That me and you comes first in Igbo. That's the correct way, the grammatical way to put it. Now, here, up here, we say dozier and I. Now I'm going to say in Igbo, it's going to be I comes before dozier. So it's going to be mu na dozier. I need you to pay close attention. It is very, very important. You see how I put it? Mu na dozier. The point we're making here, the pronoun that we're talking about here is mu. Okay, I need you to know. The key word here is mu, which is me. So it's mu na dozier. It means dozier and I. See? Mu na dozier. You can say dozier and me. Some people say me and dozier. Okay? Dozier and I. That is the correct way because you know I means me. Me. I means me. Grammatically in English, it's wrong when you say me and dozier. People, yes, do say it. Fine. But that's not the grammatical way to say it in English. In Igbo, the grammatical way to say it is mu na dozier. If I'm just talking to a second person, I just say mu na dozier. We will go anyị ga-aga. We are coming to that one, but we just want to focus on pronouns today. Just know those pronouns. That's why I'm taking it one after another, because I don't want you to be confused. Okay, so when you say you and I in English, yes, it means ge na mu, okay? But I say mu nage, mu nage, mu nage. All right, so don't get confused. If you have a question, write it down so that during the time for you to ask questions, you can ask me a question. Okay, so we're moving forward. The third one, oh, okay. So this one is O. And this O represent he, she, it. Please pay attention to this. It represent he, she, it. Okay, so when you have Onabia, you say, for example, you say, Adeze. Adeze is here. Adeze is here. And you know the pronoun, you can replace that noun, you can replace Adeze with she is here. Okay? So Adeze is here. She is here. So now we are doing pronouns. So we're going to remove Adeze and put she is here, because we're doing pronouns. So instead of saying Adeze, we're going to say, use the gender and say she is here. And it means oh no, eba. Oh no, eba. You can separate a with ebe, or you can put it together. It doesn't matter. It is still correct. Okay. She is here. And what are we talking about? Oh, we're talking about this oh. Oh no, eba. Okay, so oh no, eba. Now, when you say papam nabia. No, let me English first. My father is coming. My father is coming. And this is what you say. Don't forget what we're doing. Okay? Instead of saying my father, you know father, the gender is he. So we're going to replace my father with he is coming. All right? We say he is coming. So we're going to replace it with o na abia. O na abia. He is coming. O na abia. Now, when you say again, it is on the, okay, it is on the chair. Okay, it is on the chair. Now, all you need to say is the same or. Don't be confused. It is the same or. Honor, because you're referring to it. Honor na elu oche. We're going to break it down. Honor na elu oche. Honor na elu oche. It is on n'elu. Anything on top of something is elu. If it is under, you say okpuru. Okpuru. But we're talking about on. It is on the chair. On elu oche. Oche is chair. Oche is chair. Now let's break it down again. It is the pronoun. Is on there. Nona elu. See that? It means no. Okay? It is is no. N-O. No. On there. Okay? Na elu. On there. Elu. Chair is oche. Chair is oche. Okay, so now I hope you got it. Now we're gonna do another one. Remember when I say a, ge? Oh, so these two, we have a and ge. When I see you now, I say, oh, Amara, Amarachi, ge. Now, Amarachi will say, hey, auntie, who are you calling? I will say, Amarachi, ge. Okay, ge means you. Ge means you or you are. Okay. Now, when I look at Amarachi, I say, Amarachi, e biara. E biara. Okay. So let's give examples because I want to make sure you're following. E biara. So when you look at somebody, or maybe you ask your friend, whether you're talking on the phone or whether you're looking at the person, then to address to that person, instead of say, okay, let's say, did you come? That's what I'm about to say. Did you come? Did you come? So this is how you say it. Eh, now that's you. We are talking about you here. What is in question here is you. And that's what we're talking about. The A biara. Now, the way to write I in capital in Igbo is you have to dot it underneath. You have to, the I, you put a dot underneath it. So let's punctuate it. Because I want you to know that you're supposed to be doing all these things. So we need to punctuate it. The capital I, you see it here? The capital I is supposed to be dot, tinye ya pom or ntopo, pom maọbụ ntopo. That's what you call period under the I. So now this e biara. E biara is a question. E biara means, that's how to say it. Did you come? Did you come? If you remove this question mark, it means e biara. It's just an exclamation. You came. Without the question, it means you came. It's not a question this time. With a question mark, when you say e biara, you can look at your friend and say, oh, my friend, did you come? Did you come to my party? See that? Did you come to my party? Okay. Versus, oh, my friend, you came to my party. So they're not the same, because when you remove the question mark, it's no longer, the meaning changes. So now let's write it without a question. And then you see, when you say, you came, it's just exclamation mark. That's what you're going to put it. It's no longer a question. You came, okay? Now this is how it's gonna be. E biara. So we're gonna put the it means e biara. E biara. So it's no longer a question. You saw the person and you just exclaimed, oh, you came. Yeah, so it's not a question. So that's the meaning. So when you're writing something, pay attention, especially the Igbo way, the Igbo words, because it could mean something else when you miss just one letter or when you miss to punctuate correctly. Okay, so try to pay attention what you do. Ebiara. Okay, now you see your friend. You say, my friend. My friend, are you coming? Okay. Okay, you can say my friend Onyeka is coming. Okay. My friend Onyeka is coming. Okay. Okay. Now, because we are doing the pronouns, we're going to remove the name. Okay. We're going to remove the name because this is when you're talking to somebody direct. Now, you want to say, you did it. When you look at your friend Onyeka, say, my friend, you did it. Okay. Now, let's say that. Let's use that. My friend, you did it. Okay, this is how you're going to say it. And the word in question here is you, which is gi. Now we're gonna use gi. Gi mere ya. Okay, I look at you and I'm looking at you and I say, no, you can't lie. You did it. Gi mere ya. Gi mere ya. You did it. Gi mere ya. You did it. And then you say, who? And then I say, you. I say, gi. So when you say who, I say, gi. It means you. So gi means you. I need you to know that. Then you ask a question, who? Who is a question. Means onye. Who means onye. Like somebody is knocking on the door. Who is it? Who is that? I say, Abu onye. Or you can say, onye. It means who. Who means onye. Then when you say that, I say, you. Then I say, you. Okay? And then you means ge. Pay attention. I want to make sure you're getting it. It means ge. So the key word here is ge. All right, we're going to move forward because I want to finish it before questions. All right, number 5. Ya, ya. Okay. We're doing ya. And when it comes to ya, so we say, oh yeah, she did it. He did. It is hers. Onke ya. Okay. You say, it is hers. So when you say, it is hers, or his, or its. Okay, so they all go together. So when you say, so we use that's its own. Okay. So but let's use it is hers, it is his. Okay. It is hers. So you say, oh, remember what we said. Oh represent he, she, it. Okay. But now we say it is hers. Now, if you recall, you can tell that if it starts it, then we need to start it with all because the pronouns it means no, yeah, it means all. Okay, and all can represent he, she, it. Don't forget, because as you go on, you try to conjugate, you have to apply all this. You have to learn to apply it, please. Okay, now it is hers. So you say, oh, okay, yeah. So this is where yeah is coming in. Yeah, yeah, hers, his, it. Okay, so pay attention to that. It is hers. Okay, it is his. So whenever I see yeah, 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 now, then when you ask me a question, whose book is this? And then I say, Onke ya. Instead of saying Onke Brianna, I can say Onke ya. That ya represents Brianna, which means the pronoun. You don't have to put, remember, pronouns replaces nouns. Simple. Pronoun is what you use to replace a noun. So don't get confused. When I say this book belongs, okay, this book is Brianna, let's say, Nams, okay, Nams. This book is Nams, okay? Or you can say, this book is for Nnamdi, okay? I just want to make it simple. It's for Nnamdi. For means Maka. For Maka, okay? Now, because we are replacing the noun with a pronoun, we are going to remove Nnamdi and put what? Him, okay? This book is his, okay? We can say it's for him. Let's just put him there. But we are doing yeah, his, hers, okay? So I want you to pay attention. But right now we're saying this book is for him. Akwụkwọ a bụ nke ya, okay? Akwụkwọ a bụ nke ọ nke ya. You can say akwụkwọ a bụ nke ya. But we are doing, don't forget what we are doing. Ya, which is her, hers, his. We are doing his, hers. We are doing his, her, its. Now, when you say, okay, it belongs to her, it is hers, it is his, it's its, okay? It belongs to him, it belongs to her, it belongs to it. So this is how you say all these things. Okay, so now let's do another one. Oh no. The time when you say oh no means when you're looking at people and it's direct. I'm talking to you all. I'm talking to you all. Ana m agwa unu niile. Okay. Unu niile. You all means unu niile. Unu niile. Some people will say dum. Unu dum. You can use it interchangeably. So niile, unu niile, or you can say unu dum. Okay. Who are the ones to share this? I say you, all of you supposed to share it. Okay. It belongs to you all. Okay. Uno. When I'm looking at a group of people and I'm talking to them, all of you should go and bring the table. All of you should go and eat the rice. This belongs to you all. You see, so you all. Uno means all when you're talking to a group. Okay, when you're talking to a group of people. You all. Okay, unu niile, you all. Now, I'm trying to give you guys a chance to ask questions. 7, anyị. Anyị means us, we, ours, our, and ours, okay? And when you are speaking on behalf of everybody, you say, anyị niile, all of us, okay? This is somebody talking on behalf of the group. All right, so what you need to say, you come here and say, anyị nọ ebe a. We are here. we are here, Miss. Anyị nọ ebe a. We are here. Okay. Anyị ga-abịa. I want to put English first. We will come today. It means anyị ga-abịa taa. Some people say tata. Anyị ga-abịa taa. Maọbụ anyị ga-abịa tata. So don't forget we are doing we, which is anyị. We, anyị. Ọ nke anyị. Okay, now let's use ours here. It is ours. Okay. Ọ nke anyị. You see another way you can use it. Ọ nke anyị. It is ours. It belongs to us. Okay. So the keywords, I try to highlight them. All right. Now let's do the last one. And the last one, say ha. Ha. There. There, them, theirs. Ha bịara. Ha bịara. Now, ha ga-eri nri. They will eat food. They will eat food. Okay, let's say they came. Ha bịara. Or ha, okay. Ha ga-abịa. Let's say ha ga-abịa. Okay, we said that. We said they will come. Okay. Ha na-agba egwu. Agba egwu. Egwu, ịgba egwu means dancing. Ịgba egwu means to dance. Now, when you conjugate it, ha na-agba egwu, it means they are dancing. Ha na-agba egwu. Okay, we're going to stop here today to give you at least time. We have 5 more minutes to ask questions. Okay, o nwere onye nwere ajụjụ? If you have a question, now this is time for you to ask questions. If you have question, raise your hand. Then I'll give you a chance to ask question. And okay, I see Chizzy. Chizzy ngwa jụọ ajụjụ. You can unmute yourself. Chizzy ngwa, say your name. Aha.
I don't really need to ask questions.
Okay, no problem. I'll lower your hand. I see Ezike. Ezike, who is this, Ralo? Is it Ralo or Cheta? Cheta?
Okay. It's Raleigh.
Okay, Ralo, what you
so I know what he, she, and it is Neba. But what about his, her, and it?
Okay, so when you get to his, hers, okay, let's see where is it. Okay, so now let me see, where is it again? Okay, yeah, okay, Ralu, when I ask whose pen is this on the table, and then you want to tell me it is Cheta's pen, you say okay, yeah, it is his. Then when I say whose clothes is this, you want to tell me it's for your mommy, you say it is hers. You see when I say okay, yeah, You see what I'm saying? That's when you use his or has, okay?
Okay.
And then it means ya. It belongs to him. You say, oh, okay, yeah. You see that, okay? All right, so I see 3 more people raising hand. Richard, in here, me. Those young one, go ahead, unmute yourself.
Aha mbụ dozie ihe me.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere ajụjụ. Auntie, can you scroll back up to number 4?
All right, number 4. Okay, I'm there.
Okay, so for E and G, can you explain that the difference?
Okay, so now, if I'm looking at you, Dozier, I say, Dozier, did you come to my house? Like it has to do like direct. Let me see if I can separate it for you. It has to do with, it means you, and it's a direct. When you're looking at somebody, direct, it's a right direct question, direct interaction. So when you're looking at somebody, then you can say that Dozier A biara. A, you see that A means did you come? Dozier A biara. You see that? Dozier when I say Dozier a phone, can you take the phone? Means can you? So that A is you, and it's a direct thing. When you're dealing with somebody one-on-one, you say, oh, when I say, oh, you say, oh, can you bring this into me? I say, no, you will come here. You come here. I say, you see, it means you will come. Now, when it comes to gay, when you say, oh, auntie, who are you talking to again? I say, you. I say, gay. When I say gay, so both of them have to do with direct. When you're talking to somebody direct, I say, so auntie, who are you talking to again? I say, Dozier, gay. It means you. So did you get it?
Yeah, so that's, so for that, since my friend, you did it, you use gay can.
Yeah, you did it. It means gay mereya. You tell your friend, you did it. You see that?
So
yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So for the gay, can I change substitute the E for the gay? For my friend, you did it. Would that still be?
Yeah, you can say Gimereya. But when a question asks, who are you talking to? You can say gay.
Okay.
Say you. You see what I'm saying? There are so many ways you can use the gay, and then also many ways you can say, like you can substitute, did you come here with the gay? You see what I'm saying? You came here. You can say a biara. It means did you come? Okay. So if you have more questions, feel free to test me, okay? But that's a good question. Any other person with any question, go ahead and test me because I have intermediate class. Okay, test me. Ngwaka audio, I will post the notes, and when I post it, go over it and go over the lessons as well. All right, audio, no homework. I need you to make our time to read, study it, and ask me questions. Okay, audio is also. Bye, everyone.